Locus for the mathematical expression involving the complex variable and in the form of inequality such like in this example. Magnitude of z minus 3 less than 4. Z is a complex variable, so Z is consists of the real part, variable, and the imaginary part, variable. We use this formula to calculate the magnitude, the real part square plus the imaginary part square, and we find the square root of that. We squaring the left part and the right part of this mathematical inequality. We have this form x minus 3 square plus y minus 0 square less than 4 square. If inequality is replaced by equal, that the x minus 3 square plus y minus 0 square equal with 4 square is a mathematical expression for circle line in the xy plane. So for this mathematical equation, locus is in the form of area bounded by the circle with the center of the circle at z equal with 3 and the radius of the center is 4. I is coloring in this graphic, the pink coloring here, to show that the locus is the inner area, not the outer area of this boundary line. For example, we have this mathematical expression. This expression is a mathematical inequality in which the magnitude of z minus 3 is greater and equal and greater with 2 and equal and less with 4. To find the locus from this mathematical expression, we must first find the two boundaries because when we have a mathematical expression inequality involving the complex variable, we will have locus in the form of area. First, we find the outer boundary. We calculate the magnitude of z minus 3 equal with 4. We must calculate the magnitude of x plus jy minus 3 equal with 4. We use the formula to calculate the magnitude, the real part square plus the imaginary part square, and then we calculate the square root. By squaring the left part and the right part from this mathematical expression, we have this mathematical expression x minus 3 square plus y minus 0 square equal with 4 square. We know that this is the mathematical expression to show a circle line in xy plane with the center of the circle 0 equal with 3 and the radius of the circle is 4. Now we calculate the inner boundary. We use this part. We calculate the magnitude of z minus 3 equal with 2. Okay. X plus gy again, this is the variable, the z variable in a real part variable and in the imaginary part variable. And we use this formula to calculate the magnitude by squaring the left part and the right part of the mathematical expression. We've got this expression x minus 3 square plus y minus 0 square equal with 2 square. We know that this is the mathematical expression to show the circle line in the xy plane with the radius of 2 and the center 3. So the locus of this mathematical inequality is a ring disk area bounded by the inner circle line centered at z0, 3 plus j0 or 3 and the radius of 2 and outer circle line with radius of 4.